Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2015 Dodge Dart SXT. Under the hood we have a 2.4-liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in true blue. I do really love this color. You do have the Dodge badging up front there with your projector-style headlights right there. And coming around the side here we do have our tires. They are slightly frozen over right now. They do have the 16-inch rims. And then coming over here we do have our mirrors, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle we do have the SXT badging as well as the Dodge. You got your backup camera there and your Dart. Now on the key here we can open up the back. Lots of room back here as well. Looks very nice. It is very spacious. It is soft as well, so nothing will be getting scratched up. And you can lift this guy up, and you do have your pump just under there, and you can fold those seats forward if you did need. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and our panic up there. Let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. You got your handle here and some storage right down here. Looks great in here. These seats are very comfortable and they look very nice as well. We do have the controls over the lights right here, so we have our auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as our in-cabin light control here. And then up here we got our controls over our turning signals, windshield wipers, and our high beams. Let's start her up here, key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Now right in the center here it does tell us our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and engine temperature. Right in the center we do have the speedometer and what gear we're in, but we can switch that around to our trip A, our range till empty. We also have our average liters per 100 kilometers, our current liters, our tire pressure, oil life, settings, and then the temperature outside and how many kilometers we have. Now that is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. And then right in the center we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display. It looks fantastic. You do have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there, as well as you do have your player here if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. Your controls over your screen off. Then you do have your climate control right here, as well as your phone options and your settings. And then when you do go into reverse, you have the ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. Down here we do have the control over the volume up and down with the power. You have your traction control, your hazard lights, and your tuner there. Then you got your AC, circulation, temperature control, power, and off. And then you also have your front rear defrost. Then down here we do have a plug-in, gear shift is here. Then you got your parking brake and your cup holders, as well as your center little console here that does have your USB and aux cord plug-in. And then we do have our glove box, lots of room in there. And then up top you do have a sunglass holder. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you got your handle, as well as the control of your windows and a handle here. Looks fantastic back here as well, very spacious. Seats 5 people all together. You can fold that guy down. You got an armrest with a little bit of storage in there. And these seats do fold forward just with this guy. Then you do have access to the back or more room for storage. Here's our 2.4-liter i4 engine. Well, that's just for my walk around video, the 2015 Dodge Dart SXT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.